Sheikh, my question is, in India, it is a compulsory subject to chemistry is a compulsory subject to get admission in a medical course. In chemistry, there are so many chemical formulas with subscript and superscript to denote number of atom in a molecule. Like in formula H2O, 2 denotes 2 hydrogen atom in a water molecule. My question is it shirk or haram to write the number in the base of an alphabet like that, or which we call subscript?
Why would it be shirk? May I ask?
Sheikh, I don't know. In some cases, in some simple cases, I feel is it shirk or not, and I get confused, and I feel a fear in my heart that if it is shirk, then I would.
How? What is the meaning of shirk, Muhammad? What is meant by shirk?
Associating partners with Allah.
Okay, so when you mix this with that, where is the shirk?
No, is it shirk to write something, a letter in the base of an alphabet like that, H2O, the 2 is in the base of the letter H? Is it because sometimes I feel that, am I worshipping the letter H? Then I feel, is it shirk?
Where is the shirk in pronouncing hydrogen? Whether it's 2 or 3 or 10. Where is the shirk in saying hydrogen 2?
No, writing the 2 in the base of the letter H is it shirk? And this is my question.
Where is the shirk, ya akhi? Let me ask you another question. Is asking me about something shirk or not? Because you're asking someone other than Allah. Is that shirk? Yes or no?
No.
Why? Now you're confused. You see, the definition of shirk and kufr is totally distorted in your head. You have no idea what is the meaning of shirk and how to associate others with Allah. What does the number 2 or the number 10 or the number 100 has to do with shirk when you write it under the H or even under the name of Allah, not H, hydrogen or oxygen or whatever a substance you're writing in chemistry? Akhi, this has nothing to do with shirk. This is shaitan messing up with your head. And if you continue to allow him to do this, you will very, very soon leave Islam. You will leave the fold of Islam. I'm telling you, because I do counseling sessions like this and I've seen people like you. Without knowing what is the definition of La ilaha illallah, without knowing what Tawheed is, people have no idea about Islam. They look Muslims, they may pray, they may fast, they have zero knowledge of Tawheed. And whenever you speak to them about Tawheed, oh, he's a Wahhabi. You don't even know what the basics of Islam. What is Tawheed al-Rububiyyah? What is Tawheed al-Uluhiyyah? What is Tawheed al-Asma wa Sifat? And even if you know them theoretically, practically in your life, they're not implemented, unfortunately. In the vast majority of the Muslims, they don't trust Allah. They don't have reliance on Allah. They don't invoke Allah. They don't fear Allah. They don't have hope in Allah. All of these things are part of Tawheed. When you don't know it, then you fall into these whispers and little games of shaitan that would totally destroy your Islam. What to do, Sheikh? At the moment, you have to study your religion. How? Go to my YouTube channel. There's a playlist by the name of the 3 fundamentals, the 3 principal fundamentals. The 3 principal fundamentals. And it gives you a very, very introductory summary of Tawheed. But it is extremely essential for each and every Muslim to know this book, written by no other than Sheikh Imam Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab. May Allah have mercy on his soul. One of the greatest little booklets that sync you with Islam, with Quran and the Sunnah. It's not rocket science. It's all Quran and Sunnah, going back to the roots, going back to what the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us.